Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel at home. First, gather your ingredients: 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of light corn syrup. You will also need a heavy-bottomed saucepan, a pastry brush, and a heat-proof spatula. These tools and ingredients are crucial for achieving a smooth, delicious caramel. Once your ingredients are ready, combine the sugar, water, and corn syrup in your saucepan. Stir gently over medium heat until all the sugar crystals have dissolved. It's important to stop stirring once it boils to prevent crystallization. Let the mixture cook undisturbed until it transforms into a beautiful, deep amber color, which usually takes about 8 to 12 minutes. When your sugar mixture reaches that perfect amber, immediately remove it from the heat. Carefully and slowly whisk in 1/2 cup of warm, heavy cream. Be cautious, as the mixture will bubble vigorously. Next, add 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon at a time, stirring until each piece is fully incorporated. Finish with a pinch of salt to balance the sweetness. Once your caramel is smooth and creamy, carefully pour it into a clean, heat-proof jar or container. Let it cool completely at room temperature for several hours. It will thicken as it cools. This homemade caramel is perfect for desserts, coffee, or just a spoonful. Remember to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.